Hello, I'm an English teacher. Today we are gonna answer the question. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga ibibazo n'ibisubizo. Who is gonna be teaching you? I'm David. Nje ugiye kuba mbikugezaho nitwa David. Are you ready? Let's start the lesson for today. Uriteguye? Reka dutangire isomo uyu munsi. Please, you watch this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Nibutsa gukora subscribe, share na comment nuza kunogerwa n'iyi video. Reka dutangire isomo. Where did you come? Waje ryari? I came yesterday. Naje ejo hashize. How long will you stay here? Uramara hano igihe kingana iki? I will stay for a day. Ndahamara umunsi. When will you leave? Uragenda ryari? When will you leave? I will leave at 5 p.m. Ndagenda saa 11 za nimugoroba. Who did you call? Ninde wahamagaye? I called my mom. Nahamagaye mama. I called my mom. How did you feel? Wiyumva gute? How did you feel? I felt happy. Niyumvaga nishimye. I felt happy. What did you write? What did you write? Wanditse iki? I wrote a letter. Nanditse a letter cyangwa se ibaruwa. I wrote a letter. What did you lose? Wahombye iki? What did you lose? I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. Nahombye ikofi. What will you do? N'icyo uzakora? Who will teach you? Ninde uzakwigisha? You will teach me. Uzanyigisha. You will teach me. When did you wake up? When did you wake up? Wabyutse ryari? I wake up early. I wake up early. Nabyutse kare. Don't forget to practice English. Thank you. Let's call the day. This video is the end. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. If you enjoyed this video, I hope see you soon.